Hi guys, welcome back. I have a super messy desk. I have stuff everywhere because I've been busy working on my new journal. This is a guest design team project for LineDotArrow. My dear friend Natalie in the Netherlands has asked me if I wanted to do this journal as a guest design team project. I used to be on her her design team for a few months last year. Yeah, about a year ago I started, I think. And so she came out with two new blue kits, digital kits, Bella Blue and Blue Memories. And I love them because blue's my favorite color, and she used forget-me-nots and other floral things. So of course I was gonna use her kits anyway, but yes, of course I'm gonna support her, and I'm going to use her kit, and I want to show you guys a few things that come with the kit. So I will link her the two kits in her Etsy shop below, and she also made a beautiful blue journal, and I will link it up here, the video, because all her work is just amazing in my opinion. So anyway, this is one piece from Bella Blue, and I already fussy cut a whole bunch. This is 3 tags, but they're all together, so I assume this is going to be like an accordion or something. I'm not sure, but I really like the butterfly she's used. So yeah, so she has a whole bunch of little pockets, even little tabs, and labels and tags, more pockets, all kinds of goodies that I've already fussy cut because yesterday and today I couldn't do much crafting because when I watch my daughter play, I'm not gonna bring her downstairs into my craft room. It's way too dangerous for my craft stuff. And for her, well, not really dangerous for her, but my craft stuff. Yeah, anyway, so I usually have my printer on downstairs, and then I have my laptop upstairs, and I just print, run downstairs, and then grab the stuff and my scissors, and I can fussy cut upstairs. Some of these I've printed on, like this one, on linen paper because I wanted to test it, and I really like it. The texture is great. And then some are just my regular, which one? This one is just my regular presentation paper. Anyway, I want to make a fabric cover, but I didn't have a nice blue fabric. So I went through the little bag of scraps that I got from my quilter friend, and so I decided I would make a patchwork. It's not really a quilt, a patchwork journal cover. That's like soft. Usually most of or all of my covers are either made from chipboard, or I sandwich like felt and papers or fabric and manila card, like a manila folder. But this time this is just you can see up here, this is just felt and fabric. So yesterday I've made this because I had many little blue pieces, so I just glued those down on my on the felt, not like 100%, but just so that would stick. And then I've zigzag stitched around every little piece. And this lovely fabric is actually cotton fabric, and I printed this image. Is also from the, I think from the Blue Memories, I don't remember, one of the two kits, and I printed it on fabric and I made it my cover, and I thought that turned out so nicely. I love making my own fabric. Anyway, so this is my cover, and then I just sewn this little label, and I stamped journal on it, and I used gold gilding paste, and I just sewn in this. Yes, I do have blue fabric, but I didn't want to I didn't want this to be the outside of the entire journal. I like this a lot better. Yeah, I'm a fan, and I was able to use a bunch of little scraps. I gotta put some glue on this thing. Guess I missed this one. Oopsies. Come on. One moment, please. Okay, now I can't get any glue out. Yeah, so I've been busy working on that. And I've also just Why is nothing coming out here? Hello? Here we go. I've also collected a bunch of papers, and I printed. Oh my gosh, I've been printing so much lately. I just have so many amazing digital kits, and I have new papers that I print on, and it's just amazing. I'm so in love with my linen paper. Okay, so inside, and then this will be the signature. It's a one signature thing, and this will be it, but you can see a little bit. I'm gonna squish this in here. It's 9x6. However, I don't want to see all this, so I think I am going to put, probably not on the outside, probably on the inside, this, so it just covers up the paper a little bit. But yeah, let me show you the paper. So this one is from Blue Memories. Isn't this beautiful? And she used a Dutch ledger with beautiful forget-me-nots. And then I have a blue doily. Oh yeah, and I also printed another paper on the inside. So I mixed and matched. So I may have printed Blue Memories on one page and then a paper from Bella Blue on the other side, because I don't remember exactly which one came from which. But believe me, they're all beautiful. A blue colored doily that I've had laying, well, I have like a binder that, or a file folder that I stick all my coffee dyed and food color dyed papers in, and I had this left over. Same as this. This one is an old, one of those from was it 18? I can't remember. Super old organ book, and I just, because it was really tall, so I just folded it up. So we have a pocket, and then I just, when I zigzag stitched around it, I just sewed in 2 lace ribbons. So you could technically use these as a pocket too, but this paper is going to be the pocket, or supposed to be the pocket. Then I love this. This is from the inside of a strawberry shortcake book. I might cover this because this is not really blue, but I wanted this page. And then I have super old ledger, some paper, some printed paper. This is linen paper. I love it. And this is also from her collections. Another ledger, more blue dye paper. Pride and Prejudice paper, a book page. That's also from her kit. This is just a old book page paper or print that I had laying around. Here I have ledger paper, and it was going to be too wide, so I folded it in and made a pocket. And I have some old blue gift wrap that I've never used. This is vintage. I got that from an estate sale. So since it's all blue, I figured, hey, use this as a background. And then I sewed this little trim on here. Some more paper. Here I like the flowers because the image, because it has a big blue flower. Another big doily. It was way too big, so I had to trim it on the bottom. This paper is not from these 2 kits. Oh, is it upside down? No, it's not. This is from her first blue collection, and I just forgot the name. I can put it in here, the name. I've used her first blue collection before, or like for a blue journal, and I really like this page, so I decided to sneak it in here. I'm sure she won't mind. But this one is from the other 2 kits again. And then here I had some hem stitching paper. Unfortunately, it was torn, so I used some washi tape, some blue washi tape, and I liked it because it has blue thread in here. And then this one is also from her kit. It looks very dark because I printed it. Let me get the paper real quick. I printed it on this antique looking paper. So I would have like different shades of her papers. And I like it. This looks like old leather. And then I just have this in the middle. Not sure if I'm going to add another paper or not. But yeah, so that's so far what I've got so far. And, oh yeah, so I still have to glue this one on. Mr. Darcy. Always makes me think of my friend Darcy. What else? Oh yeah, so this is the other side of the ledger, and this is like, this was like super long paper. So, this is, I mean, I could fold it like this too. I don't care. But yeah, it's just a fold out. And then I'm going to cover this with something. And here's the other pocket. And that's the back side. I am going to make some ephemera, and I'm also going to add some more lace, because like this one you can't really see because it's way back in, tucked back in here. So I'm going to see what pages I'm going to sew some more stuff on. Yeah, so that's what I've been working on. I really like how this journal cover turned out. I've never done anything like it. Well, actually, I have something similar, but with paper. Let me get that real quick. Ugh. I don't know if you remember, this is from way back when I first started making my journals. I made a paper, like a master board, but I wanted to make a paper patchwork. So wow, this actually smells old because it's super old books from the 50s. But yeah, I mean papers. So I actually sewed around every paper piece. And this, this is washi. And this was quite difficult because you cannot like bend this paper up in your sewing machine when you like have to sew on this side. But with fabric, it's a lot easier. Yeah. So just wanted to show you real quick what I've been working on. And yeah, so I think next I'm going, oh yeah, and I also have some ephemera things. I have a bluebird. Figure that works. Then this is from the Strawberry Shortcake book, but it's like the blue one. So like blueberry, oh yeah, blueberry muffin. Huh. Then I have this piece left that I made for that first blue journal, and I figured I can make some tags or a journaling card out of this. And what else do I have? Oh yeah, I have these old town treasurer checks from way back when, and I figured I can just fold these in and tuck them in a pocket. And then we also have the pocket that I've made from her papers. And then I have two blue pieces of wallpaper. And yeah, so we shall see what else I can create. But yeah, quick little bit, well, not quick, it's like 14 minutes. But yeah, so I will craft and then I will show you the progress I've made. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.